Hello students. So this is Shankar Sharma. Uh, Today I am here with you with a new topic, that is question tag. Question tag. So this also it is in the first lesson itself. The first lesson we have sentence. So that part we have already covered. Now we will see the question tag, right? So what the question tag is? Sometimes, my dear students, what happen, we say something. Sometimes what happen, we say something and we expect the other person to agree with it. We expect the other person to agree with it. Yes or no? We say something like, I'm going to Delhi, and what we expect the other person to agree with it, and in such case we use a question tag. And a question tag is a short question. A question tag is a short question at the end of a statement. It consists of an auxiliary verb. Like, we can also say the helping verb also. Auxiliary also we can say, or helping verb also we can say. We use a helping verb like is, am, are, can. Auxiliary also can, will, shall. All these words we use, and plus subject. So what two points that you must remember here. Two points which are very, very important, and you must remember while putting at the end of a statement. Generally what happens, we expect something, yes or no? Like here one example is given, it's a lovely day. So then at the end we expect something, that what statement that we have spoken, that some persons, they should agree with it. Then we put one question tag. With the help of what? Helping verb plus subject. Like 2 points I said that you must remember while putting this question tag at the end of the statement. So first point, you see, we use a negative question tag. Remember, negative question tag with a positive statement. So what does it mean? When we get, or we read, or we find a positive statement, then we use a negative question tag. When we use this negative question tag, if the statement is positive, then we use a negative question tag. Clear? This is one point that very, very important to learn what question tag is, and to learn how to use this question tag at the end of a statement. Then take example like, it's a lovely day. So what type of sentence it is? Or what type of statement? This is a positive statement, right? It's a lovely day. Positive statement. Clear? So in positive statement, what question tag we use? Negative question tag. If the statement is positive, negative question tag. Okay, clear? Now, it's a lovely day. Positive statement. So what we will use to make a question tag? Here it is written the helping verb. Helping verb we will use. Here what is the helping verb? It's means in short we write it's, but it's generally what? It is, right? It is. So it is. Now we will write is, isn't, what is the subject? Then plus subject is there. Subject is it. Write it. Isn't it? Then this is the question. So put question mark. Very important. You have to put the question mark after when you finish writing this helping verb, and this is a negative, so not. Then what is the subject? It is the subject. So isn't it? It's a lovely day, isn't it? It's a lovely day, isn't it? The statement is positive, and here the question tag is, it becomes negative, isn't it? It's a lovely day, isn't it? Here what? Question tag is nothing but a short question that what we use at the end of a statement. At the end of a statement. So why we use? To expect something from other, right? To expect something from other, that they should agree with us. They should agree with us. So that's why. So it's a lovely day, isn't it? Isn't it? Positive statement, negative question tag. Again, take another example. They are coming. They are coming. So take the helping verb. What is the helping verb? Are is the helping verb. So these are, you write here, are, aren't they? They, aren't they? Aren't they? They are coming, aren't they? Just helping verb, then it make it negative, then the subject. You add the subject. They are coming, aren't they? They are coming, aren't they? Yes. Or in short, aren't they we say, or are not they? Are not they? So second point, that very important, again just opposite of the first one. We use a positive question tag. We use a positive question tag with a negative statement. We use a positive question tag. Here what we use? Negative question tag when the statement is positive, and here we will use a positive question tag with a negative statement. If the statement is negative, then we will use a positive what? Question tag. So you see here, example has been given here on the board. See, the show hasn't begun yet. The show hasn't begun yet. So this tells us that this statement is in negative, right? This statement is in negative. So what we will use? Helping verb we will use, yes or not? So, but we will not use the positive negative. Why we will not use the negative? Because the what? The statement is in negative. If the statement is negative, then the question tag should be in positive. The question tag should be in positive. Remember this. And like the helping verb is there, right? Has. Then what we can write for this? The show. The show. What we can write? The show. We can write it. We can write it. If like they, if it is there, or he is there, she is there, then same we can write. But here we cannot write the show, right? Only in place of the show, yes, pronoun you know. In place of the show, we can write it. Then put here question mark. You put here what? Question mark. Clear? So this is the first example that we have completed here. When the statement is in negative, then we will use the positive question tag. Again, another example. Amar won't agree with me. Amar won't agree with me. Again, here you see, won't means negative. Negative statement. This is a negative statement. So here, again we will use the positive question tag. So won't is what? An helping verb. So what we will write here? For won't, we will write will. What we will write? Will. Will, you can write Amar. Will Amar, or will Amar also can write, or you can also write will he. Will he also can write, because you can use in place of name he, because the name of it's male. Amar is a male, so we can use for this. In place of this pronoun we can use. In place of that noun we can use pronoun he. So will Amar also you can write, or will he also can write. Then put it question mark. Put it question mark. So this is the way that we use what? Question tag. First point you remember, if the statement is what? Negative. If the statement is what? Positive, then negative question tag. If the statement is positive, then negative question tag. Second point, if there is a negative statement, then you will use the positive question tag. So these are the two rules that you can use. Okay. So in your book, page number 9, page number 9, page number 10, okay, there are question number J, question number J, question number K, then question number L. These three questions are you can do it. Okay, you can do it by using the same rule without thinking much. Okay, only this two rule you apply this in these three to solve these three questions. So first one, matching is there. Then second one, find out the correct question tags. Then the third one, that is question number L. What is there? Rewrite the sentences with positive and negative question tags. So one sentence is given, then you have to write in by using the positive question tag and the negative question tag. You have to make two sentences, okay, for each question in question number L. So you do it at home. First you can do it in your book by using a pencil. Don't use pen. And in your copy, grammar copy, right? So you go through your book and write with neat and clean and try to solve it. And if any problem is there, you can contact me. Fine. So today this much only. Hope you have understood. Take a very good care of your health and stay blessed. Thank you very much.